Alright, we're ready to tackle this. We've got all our parts. It's probably true that the better way to do this is when the top is down. We'll see what happens in a minute. Step one right here, though, is to get the back seat out. We tried to tackle it the other day, and this thing will just pop right out today, because I didn't attach it completely. There's another one of those body clips right back there, and before I pop this out and break it, I want to take that thing out carefully. Then this thing will come out hopefully. Ended up having to cut that one off. Looks like the rest of it's going to come out now. Should expose the window gadget, and it does. Right there it is. I'm gonna have to expose this. I'm gonna have to remove this thing here. Screw comes out. There's a screw up here that comes out. And that'll expose this cylinder. Just what I want. Here, my hoses. One of these freaking things is broke. One or more. And there's my little pump back there. Alright, we'll see what happens. after some effort, I found the wrench that'll fit on there. It's 9/32, which is weird. I don't know why anybody would use 9/32. There it is. All I have to do is figure out how to get that out of there. Get the new one in there. Let's see what I've got.